Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have swatches of ORLY's Summer 2019 collection Euphoria. There are 6 polishes in this collection, 4 gorgeous cream polishes and 2 really fun and unique glitter polishes. And out of the 6, 3 of them are cooler shades and 3 of them are warmer shades. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. So the first polish in this collection is called It's Brittany Beach, and this is a gorgeous royal blue cream polish. Right off the bat, you can see how easy it is to apply these ORLY polishes with their wide brushes, which I love. And the first coat applies nice and evenly, though it will need a second coat to become completely opaque. Here is 2 coats of It's Brittany Beach. This is On Your Wavelength, which is an absolutely stunning baby blue polish. I love baby blue polishes, and this one has been on my nails pretty much since I got this collection. This polish does require 2 coats to reach full opacity, but it's not streaky at all, unlike some other polishes that are this light. So here is 2 coats of On Your Wavelength. The first glitter and the final cooler shade of this collection is called What's the Big Teal. This polish has some small teal hex glitters, medium white hex glitters, and large teal triangle glitters suspended in a clear base. Because of the clear base, you probably won't get this polish to become opaque on its own, so I'm going to show you what it looks like on its own with 2 coats and as a topper. So here's 2 coats of What's the Big Teal on its own. I personally prefer this polish as a topper, so I'm going to apply it over the 2 blue polishes from this collection. And this is 1 coat of What's the Big Teal over 2 coats of On Your Wavelength. I really like how this glitter polish looks over It's Brittany Beach, the deep blue polish from this collection, because I think the glitters really pop in this and it just makes the matting more fun. So here's 1 coat of What's the Big Teal over It's Brittany Beach. This polish is perfect for the summer and it's called Muy Caliente. As the name suggests, it is a hot, vibrant, orangey red cream polish and it applies beautifully. It's nearly opaque in 1 coat, but I did apply a second coat just to make the polish a little more even. So here is 2 coats of Muy Caliente. Next is Rosé All, and this is a mauve cream polish. So just like Muy Caliente and the other cream polishes in this collection, Rosé All is a great formula and it's almost opaque in 1 coat, but I did apply a second. So here's 2 coats of Rosé All. And the final polish in this collection is a really cool glitter polish called Warm It Up, and this has some small coral hex glitters, some medium white hex glitters, and some large thermal hex glitters all suspended in a clear base. Now I didn't realize it at the time of filming, but the large hex glitters actually change color when they're exposed to heat. When they're hot they turn white like on the right, and when they're cool they become coral like on the left. Just like the other glitter polish in this collection, Warm It Up is not going to get opaque on its own, and I think it's meant to be more of a topper. So here is 1 coat of Warm It Up over Rosé All. And finally, I'm going to apply 1 coat of Warm It Up over 2 coats of Muy Caliente. So that concludes the swatches of all 6 polishes from ORLY's Summer 2019 Euphoria Collection. On Your Wavelength is my perfect shade of baby blue, so that is probably my favorite polish of the collection, but I also love the bright colors and the unique glitter polishes. These polishes are still available on the ORLY website and they retail for $14 USD, and they are also available in a gel formula. I'll leave some links down in the description box below where you can shop ORLY polishes. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And next week I'll be sharing the swatches of ORLY's Fall 2019 Dreamscape collection, so be sure to check that out. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!